Philadelphia is the largest city in Pennsylvania, United States. In addition, Philadelphia was also the capital of the United States before being moved to Washington, D.C. Philadelphia is known as the City of Zombies. The area in Philadelphia, namely Kensington Avenue, has a terrible atmosphere. This is because a number of residents behave strangely like zombies. The strange behavior of residents is caused by the rise of narcotics dealers and addicts in the Kensington area. Not surprisingly, Kensington Avenue is a drug emergency area. Under the influence of narcotics, people are seen sitting limply, slumped with needles stuck in their hands, and even walk very unsteadily. This atmosphere makes Kensington look like a horror movie scene that presents zombie creatures. Philadelphia is among the cities hardest hit by the opioid problem. In 2019, the city recorded 1,150 drug overdose deaths. That number rose to 1,214 in 2020 and is expected to reach 1,250 in 2021. Apart from that, Philadelphia also has a high crime rate. In a 2022 poll by the Pew Charitable Trusts, 70% of residents named the combination of crime, drugs, and public safety as the biggest problem facing the city.